am studying in standard. Now I am going to start wall hanging and learn this craft from Nanduri Lakshmi channel. Friends, my name is Advait. I am studying in third standard. Today I am doing wall hanging. I learned from Nanduri Lakshmi channel.
My name is Ayush. I am studying in 7th class. We are doing now wall hanging craft. We learn this craft from Nanduri Lakshmi YouTube channel.
My name is Sarthak. I am studying in 5th class. We are doing wall hanging craft. We learn from this Nanduri Lakshmi YouTube channel.
Let's start.